Hey guys, welcome to Revamp Garage. I'm Mike, that's George, and we got our new project here. It's a 2008 Jeep Wrangler that we picked up super cheap off of Copart. The car is supposed to start. Unfortunately, we weren't able to start it when the driver dropped it off. Most likely the battery is dead, but we'll open up the hood and take a look at that in a second. The car has front end damage. Something fell on the hood, as you can tell, all the way across. But we do have a new hood on order and it's being painted as we speak. The other few items that we noticed is the lower control arm on the driver's side is really bad. It's bent, probably off from off-roading, but we'll have to take a look, see what else is going on. A few more things that we noticed here is the radiator is cracked, so we're gonna have to get a new radiator and replace that. Other than that, am I missing anything else?
I think you're missing the brake lines. We got a brake line that snapped on the passenger side, so we picked up brand new brake lines, and we're gonna replace them. I think they use the stock brake lines and they lifted this thing. I think it's got a 2-inch lift. Wheels and tires on this thing are brand new. The guy put a new winch, aftermarket bumper. It's called that light bar in the front. I mean, this thing, it's super clean. Other than the front end damage, I'll give you a quick walk around. Yeah, I don't like these. These bumpers and fenders are really sun faded, so we might probably have to paint that later. And from the front end damage, it's got some fender damage or somewhat bent, but I don't think that's a big deal. We'll see what we can do to straighten it up. The soft top is really cool. I like that. And power everything 4x4. First thing we're gonna do, first thing we're gonna do, lift it up, get these wheels off, and get the brake lines connected. After that, we'll see what we can get to. Probably take the hood off, pop that radiator out, and
let's do a cold start real quick. We'll put a charger on, make sure the Jeep does start, and then after that, we'll get it up on the lift.
All right, sounds good. Ooh, there it is.
It starts right up.
It sounds good too. Oh yeah. Ooh, thing's bright, man. Yes. Now what? Oh yeah, it's got that switch in there. Look at that Sasquatch like. That's all done. You gotta love it when it goes this easy. Now I'm gonna take a look down here. This is our bent control arm. Hopefully we don't have an issue where the axle is messed up, but I mean anything's possible right now. So I mean we're gonna replace that first and see what we can do. Also, this shock is smashed from the inside, so we got a new shock on order. Just ordered it. So those two things are gonna come in the next few days and we can get that done and see what's going on. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, take this hood off. I mean, it's gonna come off either way. And then after that, we're gonna do the radiator, get this one out, get the new one put in. I mean, we got it in a few days ago, so it's around here somewhere. Just gotta find it. All right, let's get to it. Unhook these things.
Oh, we got
the ground, huh?
ground.
It's okay. I'll get it off.
Alright, let's take this hood off.
Man, that thing is completely amazing.
Yes, it is.
Alright, so now we're gonna take this radiator out. Got the new radiator over here. I guess start disassembling all these clips and whatnot. Let's get to it.
Look at that.
Thing is dirty. thing is in this. Bolts here to take this fan off, and we should be getting close to that radiator. Bolts. Alright, clips are off, and this is coming out. Looks good, no damage here. So, hopefully at least.
Reuse that one.
Okay. Oh.
Take the hoses off and start unbolting. finally got this radiator out. I think we're gonna call it a day for today, because now that we have this whole front end open, we're gonna change these headlights to some LED style headlights, the fog lights and the side markers. We got those coming in tonight, so we're gonna go pick those up. Tomorrow we're gonna hit the headlights first and then start putting the new radiator back in.